Bangkok, a city of golden temples, colorful markets, and non-stop energy. From dazzling palaces to legendary street food, here's how to experience the very best of Thailand's capital in 3 perfect days. Day 1. Temples and the Chao Phraya River. In the morning, explore the Grand Palace. The Wat Phra Khao, home to the Emerald Buddha, Thailand's most sacred religious icon. See the golden pagodas and the ornate mural galleries and palace courtyards. After, visit the 46-meter reclining Buddha located at Wat Pho Temple, one of the most impressive religious statues in Thailand. Wander temple courtyards, birthplace of traditional Thai massage. After lunch, take a ferry to Wat Arun, Temple of Dawn. Known for its porcelain mosaics and panoramic river views from the central Prang. End your day with a sunset dinner overlooking Wat Arun, glowing across the Chao Phraya River. If you're enjoying this itinerary, like and subscribe so you never miss a new guide. Day 2. Markets, food, and skylines. Start your day with a long-tail canal tour. Ride through Bangkok's historic klongs. See floating vendors, wooden stilt houses, and everyday life along the canals. Then, head to Chinatown, located at Yaowarat Road, and explore one of the world's greatest street food districts. Neon lights, dumplings, sizzling woks, soups, and mango desserts. In the evening, visit Sky Bar or Mahanakan Skywalk for stunning sunset views over the entire city. Stick around to the end for the best areas to stay in Bangkok. Day 3. Art, parks, and night markets. Begin by taking a tour of the traditional teakwood home of Jim Thompson, the American who revived Thailand's silk industry before mysteriously disappearing in 1967. In the afternoon, head to Lumpini Park. See peaceful lakes, skyline views, shaded paths, and even watch lizards sunbathing. End your day in Asiatique, a riverfront night market with shops, street food, vendors, and a Ferris wheel with great nighttime shots. Best areas to stay. Sukhumvit, for nightlife, dining, and modern hotels. Riverside, scenic, upscale, calm. Siam, great for shopping and families. Siloam, business by day, dining by night. Bangkok, where ancient culture meets modern life. Like and subscribe for more travel guides and itineraries from around the world, only on Route and Roam. Your next adventure starts here.